In this video I'm going to show you how to use Clipchamp text-to-speech. So first you need to go to Clipchamp and you need to open your project. So I have an example over here for a project, and this is my base video, and I want to add text-to-speech on it. So first I need to go to Record and Create, and now you will see text-to-speech. So after you select text-to-speech, you will see the screen appearing, and here you can choose the language, the voice. You can hear the voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help.
Advanced settings for the speed, for example. And here you can fill in your text. So I have this demo text, and now you will see a preview button, so you can listen to your text.
Hi guys, welcome on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you.
So I want it to be a bit faster, so make it like this, and then another preview.
Hi guys, welcome on my channel.
That's too fast.
In this
Like a bit less.
Hi guys, welcome on my channel. In this video, I'm going to.
It could be a bit like that. But for example, if I want to change the voice to, I think I saw German somewhere. It sounds a bit funny. Ah yeah, German. And then if you listen to it,
Hi guys, welcome on my channel.
so that's Florian. But there was also I think it was Casper.
Hi guys, welcome on my channel.
So now you hear it's a German guy.
To show you how to use text-to-speech within Clipchamp.
So now if I think this is perfect for my project, I click save. And then you will hear the voice.
Welcome on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech.
And you can also cut a part, for example. So I select this one and I cut it. I want to delete this one, and now I want to paste or insert another text. So thank you for watching. And I add that to the project. And now I play the video.
Thank you for watching.
So this is how to use Clipchamp text-to-speech. Please leave a like if this video was helpful to you, and I see you in the next video.